You've been on my mind so long, I can't deal with it. You've been on my mind, and I waste my time till you lift me off the floor and let me again.
What's up, brother?
What is this for?
I don't know too. I was shocked when Zai called us to hang out.
Yeah, it's a miracle that he's not coming right now.
What did you call us to hang out? Are you done with your assignments?
Yes, of course. Don't you believe on me? It's because class is the last two yesterday on how to manage our schedule or time or properly.
And it's even effective because we don't procrastinate anymore.
Good morning, Sir Velasco. Can we ask you about something?
Sure, tell me about it.
We are having some hard time on managing our time.
Yes, we keep on procrastinating. How do we avoid it?
My advice for you is know your priorities first and do what is important. And also, immediately do the task so that you can avoid procrastinating and avoid cramming.
Okay, sir. Thank you. We keep that in mind.
Okay, you can now go.
Oh, that's fine.
I'm so proud of you, boys!
Then, since you guys already solved your problems, then we should watch the new movie of our favorite celebrity.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
That's it, yeah!
That's true, boy.
Hey, love. What's wrong?
Hey, can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure, you look so down. What happened?
I just feel so frustrated and I've been thinking a lot of things.
What were you thinking about?
A lot, and it drains me. Because I only feel at peace when I'm with you.
But it's too late now, Nick.
I know, you're gone.
The only solution is to let go of me.
But I can.
But you have to.
But how? How can I let go of you?
We both know that we can go back in time. You have to move on, Nix.
Oh,
I miss her. She's the only one that makes me feel calm.
Still there, Nix. We still do things. Yes, even if she's gone, we're still here.
We're still here for you. Yes, yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Napapaisip sa gitna ng kaguluhan, litong-lito sa pulso ng nararamdaman. Di mawari kung ito'y isang panaginip. Tila ang puso ko'y naglalaro sa kalawakan. Sa liwanag ng araw, ika'y nariyan maka. Tabit sinisilayan ka, di na alam, naguguluhan tuwing kasama kita sa kininto ang tanawin sa lalim ng langit, ika'y kapiling ko sa pag-ihip ng hangin, kasabay ng awitin, ramdam ang palad mo sa